And today's episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to go from this to this in just a matter of seconds. So stay tuned so I can show you what product I'm using to get it so nice and clear. Look at that. What is up with you guys today? I will show you how to clean your headlights with these products right here. This is what we're gonna start with. A sponge right here and this guy right here. You can get it on a kit. I'll show you how to do it. Go ahead and pour a little bit on the sponge. This is just a regular sponge. Seems to be working really fine. And then now go ahead and spread it on the headlight. Like so. Try to get all the corners that you can everywhere until that yellowish goes off. Apply pressure to get it off. Really nice and smooth.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
This is how it should look like after I use the sponge, and the product that I just showed you should look something like that. Really nice and shiny, but we're not done yet. So now go ahead and tape all around it. I use this blue tape, it's really good. Tape all around it because the product that we're gonna use, we don't want it on the paint. So tape all around it. Okay, so remember, shake it a little bit and then spray from the top to bottom to get the best results. Don't forget to shake it up before you apply it. And this is how it should be looking. Way better than it was, huh? Will you look at that, guys? Beautiful. This gives the car a better looking, for sure. I will suggest everybody to do this. It's very quick, like 20 minutes ish, and you get these results just like that. Beautiful from what it was before. This is amazing. I really like this product.
Nice.
Will you check it out, guys? Look at that. Amazing. Really good results. Frankly, they look like new. Look at that. So cool. Alright, so now you guys know how to clear your headlights if they look a little bit yellowish. Just like really simple, really fast. You get really good results. Get that product that I show you. You can get it on the internet or Walmart. If you want it right away, just go to Walmart and get it. There you go, guys. Okay, so as always, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace out.
Hälften av alla förskolebarn